Hello, this is Mark from Allium Organic Gardening, located in Zone 6B in the state of New Jersey, and I've got good news for you. The broad beans, or fava beans, are doing fantastic, and we're going to see them shortly. Now, I also want to tell you, our weather's been crazy. Yesterday morning I woke up, it was 40 degrees outside. Not good for tomatoes, eggplants, or peppers. Just starting them in the basement. And now it's only about 58 degrees, and this morning was about 50 degrees when I woke up. Crazy weather, unbelievable. And just 4 days ago, it was 92 degrees both days, on Saturday and Sunday. But now let's go look at those broad beans. Nice and green, they're doing good. I'm going to actually take these boards now, or 2x4s, and move them to a spot further down in the garden and replant some more up again too. But very nice, nice to see. And here we have a larger view of all 3 rows. Let me move the boards out of the way. We'll put this behind us here. This way we can plant up some more rows. Now that looks really good. And yes, the alliums are growing very nicely. They're getting much bigger. You can see right down the line how beautiful they are. They're just magnificent this year due to all the cold and warm weather mixing together, but they're just fantastic. I want to thank you so very much for watching this short video. I wanted to do this so we have a record, so when people ask in the future how they turned out, now we know. Enjoy, have a great day, and please like the video, and I'll see you again shortly. Thanks.